Namaste. I am Mrs. A. L. Nagamai, Headmistress of Seva Sangam Girls Higher Secondary School, Cantonment, Trichy 1. Soon after the assassination of Mahatma Gandhi ji, the father of our nation, on 30th January 1948, a bunch of service-minded ladies of Trichy started the Trichy Seva Sangam in March 1948 to commemorate his memory, making Babuji's lifelong service to the poor meaningful. In the early period, the first president of our nation, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, the second president, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, the first Prime Minister, Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Lady Prime Minister, Mrs. Indira Gandhi, and Mrs. Lakshmi Devadas Gandhi, daughter of former Chief Minister of Madras State, Mr. Rajaji, and wife of Mahatma Gandhiji's son, Mr. Devadas Gandhi, had visited the Trichy Seva Sangam. The Chief Ministers of Madras State, Sri Rajaji, Sri Kamarajar, and the governors of the state, Sri Sri Prakasa and Sri Bishwaram Methi, had also visited our Sangam. Dr. T.S.S. Rajan, the first Health Minister of Madras State in Rajaji Ministry, Sri Rangarajan Kumaramangalam, the former Union Minister for Power, and several other central and state ministers had visited our Sangam. Great women social workers, Mrs. Sarojini Varadappan, Mrs. Ambujat Tammal, and Mrs. Amarda Ramasubramanian had also visited the Trichy Seva Sangam. I am very happy to be the headmistress of this reputed girls' higher secondary school in this campus. Mrs. G. Tanjamal, the founder secretary of the school, and her successor, Mrs. Kamala Archari, her daughter, are mainly responsible for the rapid growth of the school, leading to the present state of good reputation as one of the best schools in Trichy. In the path of their mother and grandmother, Mr. Arjun Chari, the son of Mrs. Kamala Archari, and her sisters and their family members are continuing to extend all kinds of support, including financial support, for the development of the school, for which we are greatly indebted to the noble, service-minded family. The kind support and the valuable guidance of the office bearers of the Trichy Seva Sangam, Mrs. Kamala Bandari, the President, Mrs. Parimala Raghulathan, the Vice President, Mrs. C. Saraswati, the Secretary, Mrs. S. Saguntala, the Joint Secretary, and Mrs. Lakshmi Subramanian, the Treasurer, are the source of inspiration to the teachers and the non-teaching staff of the school to work with dedication and involvement, bringing laurels to the school both in the field of education and in all co-curricular activities, namely literary associations, NCC, NSS, Girl Guide, Red Ribbon Club, JRC, Green Crops, Road Safety Patrol, Child Rights Club, Consumer Club, Exnora, etc. The students are encouraged to participate in inter-school competitions in gymnastics, athletics, team events, and oratorical competitions. The students do win and bring laurels to the school, thereby to the Trichy Seva Sangam. In our school, 65 teachers and 19 non-teaching staff are rendering good service with dedication, of whom 14 teachers and 9 non-teaching staff are paid their salaries by the management. The remaining teachers and the non-teaching staff are getting their salaries from the state government. The strength of the lower classes, that is 6th standard to 8th standard, is nearly 700. The strength of the school in the higher classes, that is 9th standard to 12th standard, is nearly 1100. There are both Tamil medium and English medium sections in all the classes from 6th to 12th standard. Every year, nearly 900 students appear for the SSLC and HSC government examinations and come out with flying colors, securing very high marks and bringing 99% to 100% success. We feel very proud of the fact that 80% of our students are first generation learners coming from very poor families. 360 girls studying in the higher secondary classes, that is 11th and 12th standard, and 290 girls studying in high school classes, that is 6 to 10 standard, are the inmates of our Trichy Seva Sangam hostel, of whom 400 students are enjoying free nutritious vegetarian food, good shelter and free education. The remaining 250 students are inmates of the paying students hostel coming from middle class families. They are paying a nominal amount of rupees 12,000 per year towards hostel fees and boarding charges. As for the free hostel students, we are getting government grant for 78 orphan girls of the Children's Home Unit. For the remaining free hostel students, we are getting sponsorship amount rupees 10,000 per student per year from the generous donors from the local and from abroad. As an additional help to the students, NEET coaching classes, NMS scholarship exam and NTA scholarship exam coaching classes are conducted free of any charge by the school. In addition, yoga classes and spoken English classes, etc. are also conducted free of any charge after the school hours in the school premises. In short, the aim of our Seva Sangam Girls Higher Secondary School is all-round development of the students during their student life in our Trichy Seva Sangam campus. To increase their interest in learning, the teachers adopt the modern methods of teaching through smart classes. With the help of philanthropic donors like the family of Mr. Arjun Chari and that of Mr. G. N. Srinivasan, we have installed 3 smart classes in our higher secondary school. Considering the safety of the students, CCTV cameras have been installed in the main places of the Trichy Seva Sangam campus. Every year, we do the needful to get the free supply of books, notebooks, laptops, bicycles and scholarship amounts from the education department to all the students in time and do the distribution in the proper manner. Every year on 2nd October, the Gandhi Jayanti Day, and on 30th January, the Sarvodaya Day, our students and teachers go on procession singing bhajans on Mahatma Gandhi Ji to Gandhi Asti Mandap in the Mahatma Gandhi Government General Hospital campus, where the holy Asti of Mahatma Gandhi Ji was kept by Dr. T.S.S. Rajan, Mrs. G. Tanjamal's father. We conduct all religion prayer and Pushpanjali there. We give admission to all the students coming from all the nearby districts without any discrimination to caste or creed. We always select our teachers. We never select our students. All of our students are sure to come up in life with self-confidence and shine as responsible good citizens of India. It is our humble and earnest request that we are blessed by the philanthropic public to continue our service to the poor on Gandhian lines. Thank you all.